Now let's see how we can find something on the page. First of all, we'll have to press slash. At the bottom right corner of the screen, we're seeing that the search input appears. And as soon as we start typing, all the search matches will be highlighted on the page. Then we'll press enter, and to go to the next match, we press N. To go to the previous match, we press Shift N. And in this way, by pressing N or Shift N, we can cycle through search results. And by the way, all our previous search queries are stored in history. To be able to access previous search queries, we can just open up search by pressing slash and use arrow up and arrow down to cycle through previous search queries. And press enter to run the search with this search query once again. By default, this search is case insensitive if we're using all lowercase letters. But if we use at least one uppercase letter, the search becomes case sensitive. In this case, I have just run case sensitive search, so we are seeing that this search result is not highlighted. But if I'm gonna run that same search for React keyword by using all lowercase letters, we'll see that this search result will also be included. At the end, I will mention a couple more useful shortcuts. To open up source code of the current page, we can press sequence of keys GS. And to open up window with default keyboard shortcuts, we can press Shift/. It is an easy way to memorize keyboard shortcuts with time in case you forget.